Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Anna, where I share all the fun colors and chores of real life home decor. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I decor this room step by step with my own style, my own choice, and on a real budget. Yes, on a real budget. So let's get started. I picked maroon and gold not because they are expensive but because they look expensive. These colors add class even if you are decorating on a tight budget. You don't need fancy brand, just the right shades. I chose these double curtains, maroon in front and mustard gold at the back. I tied them with the gold ropes to keep them neat and show both colors clearly. My sofas did not match the theme originally, so I simply used deep maroon cover, easy fit. Now they match the curtains and give a proper complete look. I added gold cushion for a contrast, soft and eye-catching. When someone walk in, they don't see old sofas. They see a set, a matching stylish coordinated setup and best of all budget friendly. So next time your sofa is looking tight, don't throw it out, just dress it up. Now let's talk about the walls because honestly my room has simple walls. Nothing fancy, no wallpaper, no painting, no expensive panel, just plain walls and still they don't look boring. Why? Because I use simple trick to make them pop without breaking the bank. Okay, now let me show you one of my favorite part of this room, the British springs divider. People always ask me where did you get this or is this from a designer store, and I just smile because it looks fancy, because trust me, it's super budget friendly. They actually help separate the space without building a wall. Now let's talk about the carpet because no room feels complete without one dry. This carpet is one of those things that people always notice even if they don't say anything. It adds warmth, color and that finished look to the whole space. To keep the room fresh, I added a small artificial plant in the corner. It's add color and fill the space nicely, no watering required and still look great. The bed is the heart of the room and no matter how beautiful your curtains or wall or if your bed look messy or mismatched, the whole room feel off. Now let's talk about the ceiling because yes, even the top of the room matters, and in my room the ceiling is simple but beautifully detailed just like the room of the space. So here what I did. On one side of the room the base ceiling is white and I added golden flower detailing. These designs are called chinooti, a traditional floral pattern that gives the ceiling a soft elegant look without making it too heavy or overdone. It's neat, clean and really makes the room feel decorated from top to bottom. If you enjoyed how I decorated my room on a budget and made it look clean, stylish and cozy, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Anna. Your supports help me keep sharing more easy and affordable home decor ideas. So hit that bell icon and I will see you in the next video.